People say demolition, but to me, there is ongoing development in Nnewi, and that is why every indigenous citizen of Nnewi, we are all clapping for Mr. Governor.
This is my police station. If you know, if you know Metro Forma, this is the development that Nnewi Cholo, and the governor, they are required to the group for Nnewi. I stop you all.
I greet you all specially. Here's a quick update from Anambra State, Nnewi to be precise. Who else remembers the updates we made about the demolition going on currently at Nnewi? Okay, right here is the dualization of the Nnewi to Okija road, which is officially underway. Right now, stone-based work is actively ongoing, starting from the Nnewi Roundabout all the way to the Traffic Light Junction. Yes, this is a major step toward easing traffic flow and boosting development in this area. What do you think about the progress so far? Drop your thoughts in the comments. In case you missed out about how demolitions happened on this particular road, kindly go through our videos and enjoy the sights you see.
Dualization of the road is a welcome development because it has been long awaiting. Nobody have tackled it in this way, so we are happy.
We are here. This compound belongs to Ambassador Bianca Odumegwu, Minister for State of Foreign Affairs and BOT member of Abuja. Demolish as well to enable us get exactly what we need to. Not just here, a lot of building. You know, seeing inclusive, better compound.
Yes, this building here belongs to our leader,
let them Chukwemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu. It was well informed, all the Nnewi people. The information gets everywhere, even our people in diaspora. In case people that have property here that are not in Nnewi here, we communicated to everybody.
Since November last year, with my position as President General of Otolo Nnewi, we were informed. We told our people in our general meeting, he mentioned innocent. The first day, second day, they went back and came back after 2 days. It's 5 days before they got to his place, and he did not do anything. So, to me, maybe he don't want to remove anything because he was properly informed like others, and many people removed their valuable.
How can he be vendetta against innocent? But the governor is using his vehicle. I think our governor is the only governor in Eastern State, even in Nigeria, that is using an innocent vehicle as official car. Not even for the staffs, but for as official car. So how can he fight innocent? How can he be against innocent?
For the past 16 years, Nnewi has been in the dark. No good road, nothing. And all these things have not been given to us. So what reason do we have to complain again? Not even giving us road. We are talking about dual carriage road.